Hi, Jen. It's me, Mallory, your little dog. When I found out that you were having a birthday, I asked Aunt Mare to help me find a unique way to send you my birthday wishes. So listen closely. I have a song that's just for you. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's a wish from me. I'm hoping that your special day is everything you want it to be. You're my hero, my pal, my best buddy too. So I say from my heart, happy birthday to you. From the bottom of my little puppy heart. Happy birthday, Jen, my mommy. I love you best. Best wishes from me, little dog, and Aunt Mare.